What's up, world? It's your girl Candy J. If you've never met me before, hi, welcome. So glad that you're here. My name is Planner Black Girl Magic _Melanin on Instagram, Facebook. I am your resident planner girl. I'm here to share with you how I plan, how I set up my plan, how I use organization and structures and systems. Because for me, it's all about the process. To use those things to help us to crush our daily goals in life. So today I want to sit down and talk with you all about how you can use the understanding of how you think and how your mind works to use that to choose your perfect planner. I'm a visual learner. Visual learners process information by sight and what we see. Oftentimes we create drawings, write notes to help us retain that information. We also benefit from to-do lists to stay on track and to complete our tasks. There are 8 common learning styles. One is visual, auditory, reading and writing, kinesthetic, logical, social, solitary, and naturalistic. I use that information to help me determine what is the best way that I can take in information, hold on to it, and use that to take care of things that I need to get done in my day. The Jungian archetype are 12 universal mythical characters that are used to describe archetypes. Every person has one dominant trait. They are also broken down by 4 cardinal orientations. One is the ego, which means that type wants to leave a mark on the world. The second one is order, which provides structure to the world. That is their desire. The third one is social, and those types want to connect to others. The fourth one is freedom. These ones just want to have the ability and yearn for paradise. They just want to be free, y'all. From those archetypes, they're broken down into 12 different types of archetypes. Those archetypes are the innocent, the everman, the hero, the caregiver, the explorer, the rebel, the lover, the creator or artist, the jester, the sage, the magician, and the ruler. I have decided and already figured out for myself that I am A, visual, that my archetype is the creator or the artist, and my orientation is order, that I want to provide structure to the world. Once you've figured out how your brain works, now we can go to choose the best planner for you. Here are the questions that I ask myself when I'm getting ready to decide what is the best planner for me. Using my learning style, which I have said is visual, that I retain information best by writing to-do lists, taking notes, and receiving information better by writing things down. The next thing I ask myself is, what was my archetype? Mine was the creator and the artist. That also means that I need structure, but I also need to be able to be creative. Once I have those things down, this is what I decided on for my planner choices. My first choice was a ring or a disc-bound planner. These planners give me the structure that I need while allowing me to be creative and to create my to-do list and to take notes. The next type of planner that also works well for me is the Hobonichi Weeks or a Stylogy planner. These types of planners give me the structure that I need in a compact size. It also allows me to be creative using the bullet journal system to create to-do lists, to take notes, and create an archival system to store important information for reference. Thank you so much for watching. Check me out every Thursday so that you can catch a new video upload from me. Until later, peace. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment down in the comments. It's all about the process. Peace, y'all.